Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I actually just bought this for my home because I absolutely love Bissell products, and when you have pets, you're going to have accidents, and this little device here is absolutely fantastic. We actually upgraded this one from a previous Bissell one, and I'm loving this one so much more, and I'm going to explain why. One, it's not extremely heavy. The one zonk I'll kind of give it is when it is full on one side and empty on the other side, it is a little lopsided, so you got to make sure you grip it really well, but it does have the ability to carry large tanks, has about a 20-foot cord, and these cords are extremely well made. So simply plugging this in, and I've already added the solution into this. They actually provide you with a couple different solutions here that you can get started. It's an OxyBoost solution and the Spot and Stain. Would highly recommend using their products for this, but you can use your own if you choose to do so. It also came with a couple other attachments. This one here that's a stain getter that has a larger end on this. If you're going to be doing cleaning in your car, things like that, this would be a nice way to be able to get up in there and get all that stuff into here. And then of course you have a HydroFlow rinse attachment there as well that allows you just to do some rinsing. Primary one everybody's going to be using is just going to be this main one here because it is a little more condensed and consolidated on here. It simply attaches on by pressing and removing like that, and then pushing it, locking it back into place. Works really easy. I've actually got a spot here on my carpet that my dog has made here, so I'm going to turn this on. It might be a little noisy, and I'm going to spray it and scrub it and show you how this sucks out. Now what you'll notice is it's sucking it all to this side here, and this is one of the big advantages of this particular one over a previous model. When I shuck this in here again, watch what this does when I get this in here. See, it's blowing it out up here. It's sucking it out up through the bottom and blowing it out. But to empty this, you simply pop this top over here. You've got your nasty water in here, and just go dump it out in the sink. So you dump that out, you can rinse it out, put it back in and snap in. And my guys, this is so much easier than the previous versions that had a locking handle that you had to take off a cover on, you had to rinse it out, put the cover back on, rinse the whole thing out, piece it all back together, slide it down into a chamber. This empties so much quicker and it works so much better because you're not getting that smell buildup in there, which is absolutely fantastic. So A+ for effort on this one, guys. Works really well. Cord storage and management, everything on board. Absolutely love the product.